Hi students, in this video class I am going to explain you to input a sentence and we have to split this sentence into words. See here, if sentence is computer is an electronic device, output should be like this: computer is an electronic device. Each and every word should be in separate sentence. So, for this, first of all you have to input the sentence, not the word. So, what I did here, I have used next line function to input the sentence instead of next function. Now, what is the logic behind how to do this program? Words are separated with a single space. If question is there like this, to count the total number of words from the sentence, just count the total number of spaces and add 1, because total number of spaces are 1, 2, 3, 4 and plus 1, 5, total words are 5. But what we have to do, we have to print each word in separate line. For this, what I am going to do, first of all we have to make the loop to extract the character one by one, and what we will do, till space we will join all the characters in a variable, in a separate variable we will join all the characters till space. When space encounters, then we will print that word. See here, I am taking one extra variable string b equal to empty without any space, empty string, and making one loop for int I equal to 0, I is less than st dot length I plus plus. Extract the character using caret function, char k equal to st dot caret I. Extract the character, put the condition, if the character is not equal to space, here I am putting single space in single inverted comma, and if it is not space, join in the variable b equal to b plus k. If it is space, then else block will execute system.out.println, print the word b and again make it empty, null or blank. Close the loop. So, loop is from here to here. Now, try to understand the working with the help of this statement. Using this statement, loop start from 0 to the length up to here. So, first character is at 0 index, which is c. C will be extracted, which is not space, so concatenate into b. So, value of b will be c. For next iteration, in next iteration second character will be extracted, o is not equal to space, will be joined in the previous value of b, so it will become c o. Next time m will be extracted, m will be joined because it is also not space. In such a way, one by one all the characters will be extracted and will be joined in the variable b. When space encounters, next character is space here, then else will execute and it will print the value of b, which is computer. So, computer word will be printed, first word. Now, again make it blank after printing the word computer, again make it empty like this without space. Next iteration, extract next character I, now b is blank, so I will be joined, then s will be joined. When space encounters, is word will be printed, second word. Same way, one by one all the words will be printed. But when you run this program after completion of the main function, when you run this program, last word will not be printed, up to electronic it will print. Why last word will not be printed here? Because we have put the condition, if it is not equal to space, join in B. If it is a space, then you execute this block. So after device there is no space. So last word will be formed in B, last word will be formed, but it will not be printed within the loop. One thing you can do, either you print after the loop you can print the last word. So in such a way you can get output like this. And one more method, if you don't want to print the last word here, then add extra space at the end of ST. So after inputting ST, what you can write, ST equal to ST plus space, single space. So if last character is space, then the device word will also be printed here. No need to print after the loop. In such a way you can print all the words in separate line. Now let us continue with the next program. Next program is to print the initials of the name along with the surname. Suppose one name is there, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and what should be the output? M dot K dot Gandhi. So initials of the name along with the surname. Last word will be treated as surname. If the name is Anil Kumar, then output should be A dot Kumar. Another example, if the name is only Anil, then output should be the same word Anil. If the name is consist of single word, then no initial you have to print. Now how to do this program? Same method we will follow. We will extract the character of first word and we will concatenate in B. So first word will be formed Mohandas, first word, and instead of printing the whole word, just write B dot caret 0 plus a dot. So first character of the word Mohandas is M. So output will be, I am writing here, M dot will be printed. Instead of printing the word Mohandas, it will print M dot using this statement. Make it blank. Next time after the iteration, till the space, till next space, Karamchand word will be formed. So it will become Karamchand. So for the same word, first character of the Karamchand, which is 0, at 0 index, that is K. So K will be printed with dot. Again next iteration, now Gandhi word will be formed, but what we have to do, we do not have to print the initial of the word Gandhi, G. So do not add extra space at the end. Last word will be formed but will not be printed here. So come out of the loop. Out of the loop you can print the whole word here. So in this way you can get the output like this, M dot K dot Gandhi. If the word is Anil, then Anil word will be formed after the completion of loop and nothing will be printed in else block because there is no space. So else block will not execute and last word will be print out of the loop. Let us continue with some more programs. If the sentence is computer is fun, then output should be fun is computer. This should be the input and this should be the output. For this, what we have to do? First of all, we have to traverse the whole string from the right side to the beginning. So, we have to reverse the loop. I am removing everything. First of all, add extra space at the beginning, st equal to space plus st. One is extra space at the beginning you have to add to access the last word within the loop. Make the reverse loop int I equal to st dot length minus 1, I is greater than equal to 0, I minus minus. Extract the character. If character is not space, then join in B. B equal to K plus B. This way you have to concatenate, and in else block print the word B with space. System dot out print B with space and make it empty or blank. Close the loop. So, this is the loop. Now, try to understand the working. First of all, first character n will be extracted because loop is started from length minus 1 from here. So, n will be extracted, it is not space, joined in B. So, value of B will be n. Second time u will be extracted from here, it is also not space, u will be joined before the previous value of B, that was n. So, it will be un. Next, f will be extracted, same way f will be joined here. So, fun word will be formed when space encounters. When space encounters, print the word fun here with space. So, output will be fun and one space. Make it empty, same way get the next word, is will be printed, this word, same way next word computer will be formed, and before the word computer we already added one space, so that word also be printed here. So, you will get the same output, fun is computer. That is all. Thank you.